Okay, so in the previous problem, we used Mason's gain formula to solve for a signal flow graph, right? Now here we will be solving the circuit directly using the signal Mason's gain formula. So you don't have to convert the circuit to the signal flow graph. Yeah, so we are asked to find the transfer function of this function of this circuit. So basically the transfer function CS by RS. So RS is your input. So let's apply the Mason's gain formula. So we'll find the forward paths. So I can see the forward path is here directly. Let's call it P1. Okay. Another forward path is this one, P2. What are the loops here? Okay. So the first loop is this one, L1. Second loop is this one, L2. Okay. Where else is another loop? Yeah. So here is one loop going through this path and then returning here. L3. Do you see any other loop here? Yeah, there is one more loop. From here, we're going like this and then coming like this. Yeah, this is your loop 4. Yeah. So Mason gain formula tells you the transfer function will be given by pk delta summation of pk delta k by delta, right? So what are the forward path? P1. What's the gain across that? 1 by s into 2s, basically 2. And which loops it is not touching, right? I think this guy is touching L3, it's touching L1, it's touching L2, as well as it's touching L4. All the loops it's touching, so it's fine. So basically delta k will be 1. What about path 2? Path 2 is this one, which is 2, 4s, right? And any loop it is not touching. It's going here and then here. So yeah, so it's touching L1, L2, L3, L2 also, and L4. So it's touching all the loops. So this is the numerator. Now denominator, let's see. Loop L1. Let's focus on the loop L1. Right? I know this diagram is messy. Okay. That's why we will be focusing on this loop L1. 1 by s into 5. 5 by s, right? And there's negative. So minus 5 by s. So minus 5 by s for L1. Okay. What about L2? So L2 is this one, right? Okay, let's clean a bit because this is getting real messy. Now let's focus on this loop L2, which is this path, this path, this path, and returning through this path, right? So which is 1 by s, 2 by s. Yeah, so basically 2. And it's going to negative terminal, so it's minus 2. Right? Next loop is this one. Starting from here, it's going here and connecting. This is the loop 3. So this will be 2 into 5, 10. And then it's going to negative terminal, so minus 10. Okay. So we have dealt with this L3 loop also. Now what is the another loop? Another loop is this one. You start from here and you follow this path. This is your loop 4, right? So 2 into 2, 4s, and then going to negative terminal, so minus 4s. Yeah, so this is your answer. Just solve this. 2 plus 4s divided by 1. Now all these are negative, so this will become plus 5 by s. 10 plus 2 is 12 plus 4s. right?